Okay, so assignment one for the bird, we have two fixed data type, X and Y. So this is so we memory copy it, but for the character string pointer, with we are trying to serialize it. We need to get the string length of our string pointer and then increment our current buffer from there. And we are trying to deserialize it, don't forget to add one we are because there's a non-terminator slash zero behind our string. And then for the cat and dog class, I believe they are quite the same since they have fixed data. So we just memory copy the size of its own class, and there we go. So for the fish class, now we have two structure, apple and orange. But luckily we can get their size by simply use the function size of, and while we are trying to deserialize it, we just need to create new apple and orange, and there that's how, and increment our current buffer from there. Snake class, this one get a little bit tricky for, so just for the snake, uh, in order to serialize and deserialize it, so it has a single ACK object and unsigned integer case. So the deserialize method first copy the ACK object from the buffer into the p-act member variable using memory copy, and then we copy the key from the buffer into key member variable. So for the serialize method, this the opposite. And for the Medusa part, the Medusa class contain a linked list of snake object. The deserialize method first copy the number of snake from the buffer into snake count variable, and then we get a we loop through the buffer, creating the new snake object and calling their deserialize method. So for the serialize method, we first count the number of snake in the linked list, and then we loop through the linked list, calling the serialize method of each snake object to copy its data into the buffer. And that's it.